Hi everyone, if you're like me and you're hating the new Google icons because when they're pinned they all look practically the same, I've got a solution for you. In the Chrome Web Store, if you search Google icons, you're going to come up with this Chrome extension called Restore Old Google Icons. Click on it, add it to your Chrome. Now here it is. Look at my icons. I can click this. Here all I've done is open up Meet, Calendar, Gmail, and Drive, and then pin them so we can make a comparison. Look what happens now when I pin them. This is with the new Chrome extension. This is with the old icons. So if you're not ready to let go of the old Google icons and you need the different colors to help differentiate them, like me, I recommend installing the Chrome extension Restore Old Google Icons, which I'll link down below. So if you're excited to have the old Google icons back, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.